How to trigger n8n workflow via webhook. I have in here my first workflow, which is actually a blank workflow first. Let's click on this and add the first step. And from in there, we can see this. We have this webhook call. So it runs the flow on receiving an HTTP request. So these are the nodes for triggers. So head over and choose right here this webhook. Or if you don't want to use that, you can search in here for other webhook options or webhook nodes. Let's click on this right here. After that, this will open this particular window. Change right here the parameters like webhook URLs, HTTP method, path, authentication, response, and also add option if needed. It also change the settings that has been added right here, so head over and then change that to your liking. Once you're back, we can now have right here actual trigger. You can now add your next step or your next node that you want to take action based on this particular trigger. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.